beautiful red belly woodpecker. That's a Junco. I just put the feeder out last night. You can see the Juncos are below it. They're little snowbirds. That's a white-throated sparrow, actually. It's very early here. I can't tell what I'm filming. It's been a while. Chickadee. I had to do this because the squirrels are just almost erratic. They're just eating everything when I ground feed. The Junco at my door. There's black ones. There's a good close-up of one. Gray ones, and I noticed a brownish color. It's odd. Should do some research. See, they stand under the feeder while the other ones feed and get the, get the leftovers. What a mess the snow makes. But they look so cute running around out there on the snow. They're everywhere again today. We got a big storm coming. And there's the other bully, the starling, European starling. They'll eat. I'm surprised they're not covered on that, but it's early. Ciao for now. Happy Saturday. They're little friendly guys, those little Juncos, snowbirds. They're funny. What? Oh, there's Blue. And these birds. Oh, here we go. Let's see what Blue does. Blue has a hard time on the feeder. Yeah, he got a peanut. There's peanuts in there for the jays so they don't have a hard time. The cardinals love to just sit there and swing. Ciao for now. Bye, little one.